Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw head from triangle, and I will explain to you step by step and how to do it, okay? So here at the IBISPAINT, and first step is to make a circle. I'm using a ruler here, and and second step is to make a cross like this, okay? And from this to this we make a line. The line is looking like a scissor, okay? And we make the other one, or you can actually duplicate them. And don't forget to make the eye guideline, okay? This is for the eye actually, not for anything, okay? And don't forget to add neck, because human have neck, okay? And I'm clearing up things here like the mess, and I'm starting to drawing the eye, and actually I'm drawing the eye at the same time because I don't wanna the other eye looking different from the other eye, okay? The other one looking nice, the other one look ugly, okay? I don't want that. So I draw them at the same time. And the eye is almost done, and next we make a nose. Nose is pretty simple actually. We just have to make a dot, and this is making the image. You can actually duplicate them if you want. And I'm clearing things and almost done. And don't forget to add eyebrow, okay? And here we make the eyebrow. Yes, eyebrow. And I'm cleaning up a little bit more here, and because it looked too messy for me, so I clean a little more here, and it's done. And the next one is we're making side profile view, just as like before. The first step is to make a circle. Next we make a vertical line. And then we made another line like this, and then we make a curved line like there. We connect it from the curved line to jawline, okay? And then don't forget to make ears before we made an eye guideline, okay? Because ear and the eye, don't forget we add neck. When you draw the neck, don't draw them too thin, too thick, or too long, okay? Or your character will end up looking like this, okay? Also, when you draw mouth from this angle, draw them in zigzag line, okay? Just like this. When you're already sure about the mouth, add slightly a curved line between them, okay? Also, when you draw eye from this angle, I'm using a triangle shape, like this, okay? Next, erase all the guidelines that we used. And it's done. Next angle is 3/4 view, and just as like before, we drew the circle first. And then we make a cross like this. And not like before, the cross is actually a little bit curved, and then we connect the line just as like before. And also don't forget to make an ear at the end of horizontal line, okay? Now we just have to draw the neck, okay? Remember, not too thin, not too thick, or not too tall, okay? And now we make the eye. And remember to draw them at the same time, or your other eye will end up looking different. draw a nose, you just have to make a comma. Yes, like that. And don't forget about the mouth, okay? And now we clean all the things that we don't need, like this guideline. And also, don't forget to make a shine if your character bald, okay? And that's at the end of our video. I hope you learned new things from this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. What tutorial should I do next? And see you next time.